Hi guys, so I'm back with another stationery haul, and yeah, some of the stuff is from Michael, some of it's from Hobby Lobby, and some of them I ordered off of the apps Wish and Aliexpress. So I'll probably just show them in groups from where I got them. So let's start with Wish because it's kind of smaller. So I got these stickers. I actually don't know how to pronounce this. Is it like Gudetama? But I love everything from this. Like, I have some memo sheets and other stuff, and so I saw these stickers and I knew I needed them. They're like little sticker flakes, so they're the small clear ones, but like, they're so cute. I love them. I'm probably gonna use them for my journal or my pen pal letters or something of that sort. But yeah, I needed more stickers and I really like these ones. So the next thing I got from Wish were this masking sticker set. I'm actually always looking for like washies that are just plain colors, and I can never find the ones I want. And so this comes in like sheets. You probably can't see, but they're like, maybe you can. They're like cut out. Here, I'll peel one of them. But they're like stickers. So you can just like take the sheet out. And some of them are circles. So I'll probably use that in my journal as well. These were both fairly cheap. If there's anything that I show that you want like links to or prices, just let me know in the comments. So next is the stuff I got from Aliexpress. I got this pad of paper. I actually love these these notepads or memo pads that look like older things like Nintendo and such. This is the one that's the Nintendo or Game Boy. I don't know which one it is. I actually don't know what I'm going to use these for yet. I just wanted them. I think they're so cool. That's what I got from there. Next is the stuff that I got from Michael's. So Michael's has like, they're not like official travelers notebooks like the brand, but they are one and they're cheaper. So I got this to try it out, and it comes with like this pocket and then 2 blank notebooks, and it's pretty sturdy. So I guess I'll just see. I might do a video of like setting up my traveler's notebook. But since I got that, I actually got this pocket, the zipper folder, and like I think they're like card slots. Yeah, with the card slots and the zipper. And then I got these, which they're the stick-on like pouches for things. Oops. And then I got a grid notebook because I'm obsessed with grids. And I thought that maybe I could set up a bullet journal in my traveler's notebook or something like that. Or just use it to journal in. I don't know yet. And also from Michael's, I got this. It's like a paper and envelope set. I use these types sometimes for my pen pal letters, or like to send out photo cards and stuff. I'm also doing a giveaway for my Instagram soon, so I'll probably put these in there and some other stuff from this haul. And then I got these. They're like sticky note memo sheets for your planner or journal and stuff. And then I got this pencil case. It's like holographic. I like it. I think it's really cool. And then I got this notebook. I just love like these tiny little notebooks. And it's got sketchbook paper in it. Or just plain paper. I don't really like lined things. I don't know why. But I try to avoid buying stuff that have lines. So next is the stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. And I got these washi tapes. They're just like pastel ones because I don't have very many plain colors. And I don't like necessarily like just the bright colors, so I got pastels. And then I got 9 more washi tape. And this one is just like little leaves or flowers. This one is the same, like little leaves or flowers or something. This is another like floral print, rose. You can see a pattern here, like floral print. This one is like pale pink, not even pale pink, just like a dark pink. And it has like gold accents. I think that's cool. This one's just hearts. Lines. More hearts. I like it how it looks like sketchy, like, I don't know. Another floral one. And then another line. Yeah. I am obsessed with buying washi tape. I need to stop. Okay, the rest of the stuff from Hobby Lobby. I got this cute little charm. I think I'm gonna try to attach it to my traveler's journal. My traveler's notebook. It's cute. It says wish and it's got like dandelion seeds or things. And then I got this and it's in a card and envelope set. I actually bought this before and I use them all. Sometimes I use them to put in my journal, or if I like need to keep something, I'll just like tape the envelope in there. Sometimes I don't know, I use them for like photo cards and stuff too. So yeah. This is a mini craft sack set, and I thought I could use these for my pen pal letters because like I always need something to hold like stickers and stuff, and these are really cute. Like I love these leaves. A pineapple. There's flamingos, and then just lines, and then some sunglasses. I think they're really cute. I feel like I'm losing my voice. That's great. Okay, and then here are some tags for washi tape samples. And I got these like paper clips for my traveler's notebook. I just think they're really cute. And then I got some recipe cards because I'm gonna be doing a video of ways that you can use like excess notebooks that you have, because I always buy notebooks and journals, and this is gonna be one of the videos. And plus I have a lot of recipes, a lot of vegan recipes that I want to try, and so I need to write them down. And then I got this envelope set. The package kind of broke, but I'm really obsessed with this brown paper, and so I think they're fun to like draw on for like my pen pal letters and stuff like that. But yeah, if you have any questions about prices, or if you want me to try to find a link to any of this stuff, let me know in the comments. And like I said, keep an eye out on my Instagram. It'll be linked below, my K-pop one for my Instagram giveaway, because that will be happening soon. And like always, if there are any other questions or anything, leave them in the comments down below. And thank you for watching.